Apply for free with scholarships. Quick and easy step-by-step process.
Hello besties, welcome back to another exciting and informative session of my channel. If you're new to this channel, what an amazing day to have you here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Rita Weji and this is where international opportunities are made simpler for you. If you're interested in studying abroad, I have exciting news for you today. My team and I have gathered information about universities that have no application fee, automatic scholarships, no GRE or GMAT, and some that are test optional institutions. I assure you that your time is now. Today's video explains 5 different universities that have automatic scholarships with no application fees for students applying for both undergraduate and graduate programs. If this is the right information you have been looking for, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel and also share and recommend my videos to other students who need free opportunities like these. And not to forget, please like this video and also turn on the post notification bell so you'll be updated on all new uploads. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. The first university is Marywood University and it is located in northeastern Pennsylvania. On their website, for you to complete the application, they state that the $35 application fee is waived when the application is submitted online, and you can use this link to apply, meaning you do not have to pay any fee while applying for both graduate and undergraduate programs. And if you're wondering whether you qualify for financial aid, they state that everyone should apply for financial aid even if you think you do not qualify, because almost all students qualify for some sort of aid. So this is the beauty in this school. They try to give scholarships to almost all students. So let's learn how you can apply to these scholarships. For undergraduate aid, you click on apply for undergraduate aid, and then it takes you to the website. This shows different scholarship opportunities for undergraduate students, like they are in form of President's Scholarship, Trustees Scholarship, Founders Scholarship, Dean Scholarship, Success Award, Opportunity Award, and other additional university-funded scholarships. And to apply for graduate aid, same way, you click on applying for graduate aid and it takes you to their website. This has few academic programs and departments that participate in this graduate scholarship program, like the art department, the business and managerial science programs, health science department, nutrition department, sports nutrition and exercise, and other several departments. So then you can click on graduate scholarship application process, which will show you all the detailed information on how you can apply to their scholarship. An interesting fact to note about this university is that 99% of all full-time students receive financial aid. All this means that you have a great opportunity to receive a scholarship. Guys, before applying, you should always take note of the deadline. And for international applicants, the deadline is on June 1st for fall semester, and for spring semester, it is on November 1st. Next is the University of Akron, and it is located in Ohio State. Now on their website, they clearly state that apply to the University of Akron for free using the code ZP. It is case sensitive, guys, so when you're applying to this university, please put capital Z and then the rest in small cases. Then you can start your application process either online or using the common app, and all of these are for free. The benefits that come after applying to this university: you will get an automatic scholarship consideration. The tests are optional. The SAT and the SAT tests are optional. No essay is required, with a quick admission decision. The next university is Georgia Southern University. This has 3 days in February, and they started from February 1st to February 28th. Guys, let's use this opportunity before February elapses. And there are no application fees for specific programs for both undergraduate and graduate programs. So let's look at their undergraduate programs. They offer different majors for undergraduate, and as you can see, they have accounting, anthropology, Arabic studies, arts concentration into this studio. There is a concentration in art history, concentration in studio art, art education, biochemistry, biology, chemistry, and several other different undergraduate programs. The graduate programs as well don't require any application fee when you're applying. So let's quickly go through the graduate programs. There is accounting, adult or gerontology, art concentration in graphic design, art concentration in studio art, biology, business administration, and several other programs.
This university has really made its application process so easy for you to apply, in that it has waived its application fees for most of all its programs, and there are a few excluded programs. As you can see, those are the few excluded programs. However, all the other programs you will apply for free for both undergraduate and graduate programs. Our time is now, guys. Let's advance in our careers at Georgia Southern University in these free days of February. Next is Central College, located in Iowa. On their website, they state that applying to Central College is easy with our online application. We do not require standardized test scores because we believe students are everything but standard. Now, I like this. Your application fee and SC are waived. You will also receive an admission decision within 2 weeks, in addition with an automatic scholarship consideration. So for international students, these are the golden benefits you will get when you apply to Central College. Now let's see how we can apply. There is the first year application, transfer application, and international application. You click on international application, and this will take you to the website where there is an international undergraduate application. They clearly state that there is no essay to write, no fee needed, 2-week admission decision with an automatic scholarship consideration. And to get started, you will need to first create an account. You write your first name, middle name, last name, your gender, email address, date of birth, and other necessary information, and then you can save and continue. Now for the financial aspect, as students, we would like to get a college or a university that will invest in our academics, and Central College is here for you. This offers different scholarships in different categories, and for international students, you click on international to see which kind of scholarships they offer. So they have scholarships ranging from $1,000 to $8,000, and these are awarded at the time of application. So you don't have to apply anywhere else. You will get this scholarship. It's in form of an automatic scholarship. All scholarships are renewable each year up to 4 years in total, and they are subject to satisfactory academic progress. So Central College is pleased to be able to offer the following academic merit-based scholarships. This university offers merit-based scholarships. So there is the Journey Scholarship. Now this is an award that every student gets upon admission. You will receive an approximate of $1,000 for this scholarship. Another form of scholarship amounts to $6,000, and it is awarded to students who have achieved at least 3.75 cumulative GPA. So if you have a higher GPA, you will obtain $6,000 as a scholarship. And another category is awarded to students who have 3.5 cumulative GPA, and they will get $3,000, and those that have achieved 3 GPA will get $1,000 on addition. So while applying, you are encouraged to send your unofficial high school transcript to admission@central.edu. This is an email that you can send to your transcript to help you make your admission decision so quickly. About their programs, they offer over 70 strong academic programs, and it is interesting to know that if you don't see your preferred major on the list, you can talk to them on that link. Wow, so let's go through quickly their programs. They have accounting, actuarial science, anthropology, art history, biochemistry, biology, business administration, chemistry, economics, very many different programs that you'll go through. The last university is the University of Tennessee, and it is located in Tennessee. Whether you are a first-time college student, a transfer, or coming back to complete your degree, this university will help you in all your academic steps. They do not charge any application fee. They state that we charge no application fee. Now listen to this. They state that 96% of their students receive financial aid. Now this simply means that you have higher chances of receiving a financial aid or scholarship opportunity. And when you're ready to apply, you will click on Apply Now. Now this gives you 3 different options. You will either apply for admission or a graduate application, or for dual application. So if you click on one of them, it will take you to fill in your email, you confirm the password, your first name, middle name, last name, and other details. And you will also choose an application degree, either bachelor's, graduate, or a non-degree seeking student. Now let's see the programs you can choose from. There is accounting, behavior science with general psychology concentration, biology with biomedical science and biotechnology concentration. Very many. There is also biology with licentiate concentration, chemistry with biochemistry concentration. Very many different programs that you can choose from. Guys, let's use these opportunities of free applications where you will apply for free. You don't have to lose anything. Your future starts here. Let's try to maximize and use all these free application opportunities before their deadlines. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a hint on how to apply to these free opportunities. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new uploads. I would also love to hear from you, so please write in the comment section which programs will you take or which university will you apply to, and also remember to contact the program coordinators so they can give you all the necessary information. Please remember to share this video to as many friends as possible so they can also benefit from these free application opportunities. In this journey of success, we keep moving. Love you all. Bye.